struggling with frizz, dry, lifeless locks, then please keep watching. This video is for you. Hey there, beautiful souls. I am Tajia, your self-love soul sister and go-to for DIY and hair care. Today, I'm so excited to share a DIY recipe with you. It has helped my hair tremendously, especially on those days where I don't have time or I'm just on the move and I gotta get something done to it quick. Today, we will be creating a DIY aloe mist to give your locks the moisture that they deserve. This recipe is a game changer, so let's jump right in. First things first, let's take a look at the ingredients that we will need to make this aloe mist. Fresh aloe vera gel or an aloe vera leaf, but I prefer it all to be done for me. I got this at my local Whole Foods, as well as some distilled water, measuring tablespoon. A few drops of your favorite essential oil, but my oil of choice will be the black castor oil 100%, a water bottle. These ingredients are not only easy to find, but incredibly beneficial for your locks. Now that we have our aloe vera gel, we are going to create our DIY mist. Now, let's move on to the next step. What we're gonna do is add 2 to 3 tablespoons of this aloe vera gel into our water bottle. This will be the star ingredient that hydrates and nourishes those locks. Next, we're gonna add distilled water to the gel that I already put in the water bottle. The purpose of the distilled water is to ensure that there are no impurities that can harm your locks, giving them the best care possible. And our final step is to add your favorite essential oil or oil that you would like to use, and I'll be using black castor oil. I'm gonna pour a little bit in here, just enough that I know that will nourish my locks. You can put about 1 to 2 tablespoons in if you would like. And I'm going to add the top and shake it up. Now that our DIY aloe mist is ready, it's time to use it. Lightly mist your locks, making sure to cover them evenly. You can use this mist on both wet and dry locks for a quick hydration boost. And I'm just going to rub that into my scalp and all on my hair. And when I go towards the ends, I try to squeeze it in there to make sure that my hair locks that moisture in. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more DIY videos and self-love videos, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe button for more.